Okay, I just got done with an appointment. Now I'm going to head to the store really quick and pick up a few items. Gonna be making some homemade bagels, and I want to make a great strawberry filling to go inside. See what else I come up with. So I'm running over to Fred Meyer's and get this started. Okay, winter is over. It's officially beautiful out here. Okay, I see it's not too bad. $4.99 for some strawberries. Let's find a good one. Oh man, I got stopped at the counter with all the different sushi rolls. This is really tempting me. Usually I get the spring rolls, but not looking that big today. It's beautiful shopping here. Everything is behind the refrigerator doors now. It makes it a little more challenging because you're constantly opening and closing doors, but it does look nice. Okay, that was a quick trip. Made it out with only 2 bags. Are you one of those people who stick to their list, or are you always buying a few extra things? I'm on the buy a few extra things kind of gal. And anyway, I'm gonna head home now and get started on those bagels. Welcome to my channel, Donna Cooking, and in today's video I'm going to be making a bagel box that I can drop off to a loved one. They need a little extra help. They can take the bagels to school or have them for dinner. It's just very simple. So you can just go to the store and buy bagels if you want. I just thought I would share my recipe for it, and strawberry cream cheese filling and whatever else I come up with. And as you can see, the recipe's just on a little piece of paper. And isn't that funny how you just have different recipes, you just have them written down that you've had for ages and ages. So I will put the recipe in the description box below the video. So let's get started. Now to get started on the bagels, what I'm going to do is take 1.5 cups of flour here and put it in my bowl. And then I'm going to add 2 packages of yeast to the flour. Do you guys like baking? I really like baking. I think it's very therapeutic. You got a lot going on, you feel stressed. Doing some baking is really going to help. Especially like bread, because you can get your hands in it and just work out a little frustration, wherever. Now I'm going to be adding some salt and sugar and water and adding that to this. And I'll be putting the whole recipe in the description box below the video, okay? I'm going to mix that up. Add a little more flour here. Now when I grew up, we never bought any bread. My mother only made bread. So I grew up starting at 8 years old, like doing lots of cooking. And so that's where I got my love of cooking. And so it's just one of those fun things I do. And as I got older, I would make all the dinners in my family. My mom and I had a pact that if you cooked, the other one did all the cleaning. So hey, who wants to clean? And then I later went on to cooking school. So I added enough flour so that it's not sticking to my hands at all, but it's nice and soft and pliable. So now I'm going to put it back in the dish and let it rest for like 10 minutes, and then we'll make them into the bagel shapes. Now I've cut my dough into 12 little balls, and I'm gonna just take each one and work it around and around like a donut shape, like this. And I have a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I greased it. And I'm going to be making all these into bagel shapes and then letting these rest for about 20 minutes. So I'm working on this right now. Now, while I work on this, what is your favorite bagel flavor? I like, when I go out to have bagels, the sesame seed ones. Then I get them toasted. And I know people really like the cheddar ones. And maybe cinnamon raisin. There's like so many different flavors. Today I'm just gonna stick with part of using the Trader Joe's everything bagel seasoning on top and the sesame seeds. Maybe a few plain. All right, we're just gonna let these rest just a little bit, and then now put on a pot of water with a tablespoon of sugar in it, and you're just gonna let it come to a boil, and then we're gonna be boiling these next. Now comes the fun part. I'm waiting for the water to boil. It's almost ready, and then I'm gonna be putting like 4 at a time in the water and cooking them like a little over 3 minutes on each side, then putting them on the cookie sheet, and then we'll be baking them in a 375-degree oven. Now when they come out of the water, I'm going to be sprinkling on some of this bagel, everything but the bagel seasoning, or I also have sesame seeds, and then I'm going to leave a few plain ones too. The timer is about to ding because the oven is going to be at 375. So I got 4 sesame for everything and 4 plain, getting ready to go in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes or until done. Okay, got the bagels, and then we packaged up a brownie mix with a little pan next. And then I put together some strawberry cream cheese, just cream cheese, strawberries, and a little bit of honey. And I had these little individual containers. You get these at the grocery store. And then plain cream cheese and some hummus. Got some animal crackers. What kid doesn't like animal crackers, right? And then some Lay's potato chips. So I'm just going to package it all up, and it will be a nice little care package. So if you're looking for ideas to maybe make for somebody that's just really easy, this would be a good one to do. So thanks for coming along with me in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.